on your way back home in a brand new station wagon, a pile of rolling chrome, 10 miles to the gallon. Your mother puts some makeup on, you watch her crunch the gears. It's a child's view of the eyes and how her years. Your father knows what's best, no one can upstage him. He thinks he's so well dressed, finds new things to outrage him. Elvis on the television.
All the animals are rocking and rolling at the zoo. All the animals are rocking and rolling at the zoo. They're having a party and they're getting into the groove. Now all the lions are roaring at the zoo. Rah! All the lions are roaring at the zoo. Rah! They're having a party and they're getting into the groove. Can you swing like a monkey? All the monkeys are swinging at the zoo. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. All the monkeys are swinging at the zoo.
Leave you 3-4 steps behind. That road you're walking might be long sometimes. You just keep on trucking and you'll be just fine. He's on down the road. Come on, he's on down the road. Don't you carry nothing that might be alone. Come on, he's on down the road.
Sat ahead of us, partner, this is what he said to me. Yonder's Dodge City, queen of the cowtowns, running a wide open game. Don't try to brand her, she's too wild to handle, too tough by far for you to tame. I drank whiskey in the Long Branch and I got in a poker game. Danced with some fancy ladies I don't recall by name. Woke up in jail next morning, this blue lump on my head and an old 10-star.
When I gotta shovel harder just to keep my feet warm, a thought runs through my head. Was I born to work a day job, answer to a top dog to earn my daily bread? Well, it's dark in the morning, darker in the evening, darkest in the old salt mines. No, I can't remember daylight, I feel just like a vampire, no bloody neck inside. Blowing up the salt mine, tell me rig the dynamite, a perfect plan to be free again. Tell me when the boss is gone, light the fuse and we can run far away from this awful place.
Hear the music ring. A mile away you can hear them sing. Well, Mrs. Hippopotamus plays the saxophone, and Edward Elephant makes the trumpets moan. Mr. Duck, he sings so sweet, and Katie Kangaroo always taps to the beat. Peter Polar Bear, he always starts popping. Pretty soon the place is rocking at the city zoo, where the animals play down at the city zoo. They'll be rocking all day down at the city zoo. Hear the music ring. A mile away you can hear them sing down at the city zoo, down at the zoo.
Rising from the hands of the keepers of the plains. Nothing to see, much less to do. But to entertain yourself, my friend, is a difference maker of a fool to try to outrun the rain. You can bet he never talked to the keepers of the plain. Well, it's gotta get hard before it gets better. Yeah, before it gets dry, well, it's gotta get a little wetter. Until then, I will remain. I put my faith in the keepers of the plains. nothing are you and me. Dissipation, grace relations, consolation, segregation, dispensation, isolation, exploitation, mutilation.
Colors, and that's why I love. That's why I love you. To let them show your true colors, true colors. See your true colors shining through. Yeah, true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors, true colors, true colors are beautiful like a
Always say life is full of choices. No one ever mentions fear or how a road can seem so long, how the world can seem so vast. Courage, see me through. Heart, I'm trusting you on this journey to the past.
I'd rather crash, I'd rather grow than never have your love at all. With only bricks to break my fall. For you, I'd risk it all. Stand your ground. Win or lose, I gotta see this out. We'll be a perfect family. Slices, slices, getting your places. Throw on your dress and put on your tall faces. Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtains. Picture, picture, smile for the picture. Pose with your brother, won't you be a good sister? Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtains. COLLHOUSE. I see things that nobody else sees.
Smiling girls and rosy boys, come and buy my little toys. Monkeys made of gingerbread and sugar horses painted red. Rich men's children running past their fathers dressed in hose. Golden hair and mud of many acres on their shoes.
Over there, send the word over there, that the Yanks are coming, the Yanks are coming, the drum coming everywhere, so prepare, say a prayer, send the word to beware, we'll be over, we're coming over, and we won't come.
Down at the station early in the morning, see the little puffer bellies all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle, puff, puff,
wonder who wrote the book of love. Chapter 1 says to love her with all your heart. Chapter 2 you tell her you never ever gonna part. In chapter 3 remember the meaning of romance. In chapter 4 you break up, but you give her just one more chance. Oh, I wonder who wrote the book of love.
Baby, 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 I love you, yes I do. Well, it says so in this book of love. Ours is the one that's true.
Wonder who wrote the book of love.
As is true, just a shivering and a shaking with the down south case of them steamboat whistle blues. Oh, Captain Way, I'm sorry, my hat is off to you. You've been hanging out by the old cook stove with the steamboat whistle blues. I called your phone, but I didn't get no one to answer. So I opened up the window and I smoked a little bit and I watched.
America needs you, Harry Truman. Harry, could you please come home? Things are looking bad. I know you would be mad to see your favorite man develop on the land you love. America's wondering how we got here. Harry, all we get is lies. Forgetting stable cars, rocket ships to Mars. From men who sell us out to get themselves a piece of power. We'd love to hear you speak your mind.
Say, Pard, have you sighted a schooner hitting the Santa Fe Trail? Well, they may be here Monday or sooner with a water keg rowed by the rail. Well, there's Daddy and Ma on the mule seat, and somewhere along by the way, a tow-headed gal on a pinto, just a jangling for old Santa Fe.
There's a ship out on the ocean, just a speck against the sky. Amelia Earhart's flying that sad day, with her partner Captain Noonan on the 2nd of July. Her plane fell in the ocean far away. There's a beautiful, beautiful field far away in the land that is fair. Happy landings to you, Amelia Earhart. Farewell, First Lady of the Air. She radioed position, and she said that all was well, although the fuel within the tanks was low. But they land on Howland Island to refuel.
Put 'em up, put 'em up.
To see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. You'll find that the man
top of the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. If happy little bluebirds fly